Flexibility and consistency. These are the two words that can be used to define the performance of Megastar's Vexy. He tops the overall kill leaderboard with 56 kills, and this makes him the MVP of the second week of PUBG Mobile Pro League South Asia. Megastars was cruising through the first week. In the second week though, they put on the boosters and raced ahead. Megastars came incredibly close to victory several times but wasn't able to secure the chicken dinner. But even in those situations, Vexy turned up the heat by getting plenty of kills. He had 4 to 5 kills in almost every game and was in the top 5 players in a lot of matches. Him racking up kills got his team plenty of points. Finally, after a lot of effort, Megastars got their chicken dinner on the third day of week 2. And not just one, they got 2 chicken dinners back to back in game 4 and 5. Match 4. Megastars dropped in military base that game and rotated to the mainland through the eastern bridge. They took the compound close to the bridge and this put them in a pretty safe spot, giving them the ability to spy on all teams. The next zone shift was a tough one, but Megastars was able to use the rotation of Powerhouse to their own advantage. Powerhouse got into their cars and drove into the center of the zone. There's a massive cluster of teams on this side, all of whom will have to move their attention towards Powerhouse. And on the other side is Megastars, who basically have no challenger except for one member of VSG Crawlers that they can easily deal with. All the teams focus their attention on Powerhouse, and Megastars use that to their advantage. Megastars have a nice little ditch, in which they can prone down for cover and also plenty of cars. All they have to do was maintain pressure on Powerhouse and steal kills whenever they can. In the final battle, when only Powerhouse and Megastars were surviving, Vexy got into the car and moved it to the front for additional cover. Nova King and Iconic started flanking them and even managed to knock out a few players of Megastars, but that's when Vexy stepped up to save his team and win the game.
But I think Iconic is going to get a knock. Is he going to get that second knock because Mega is pushing up on them? He does not. Wait a second. He does. He gets 2 members. And now this is going to be a push by Iconic. He needs to go because it is a situation. Nova King got knocked out earlier. Oh my goodness. Vexy, the man who is so sexy, gets a knock on Iconic down to a 2v1. BH Dark, the last man standing again, fixes how it's going to go down. We're just going to have a split shoot right now, and it's 2v1. He goes, he aims, he shoots. Is he going to connect? Getting out of harm's way. Oh my goodness. Megastars.
Megastars got the chicken dinner in the next game as well. They dropped into Paradise Resort, finished looting up, and then took the control of the compound below it. Since they were on the edge of the zone, it sent a lot of enemies their way, and the most dangerous enemy was Team Soul. Soul was the only team in the tournament so far that has managed to win 2 chicken dinners on Sandhawk, which makes them the deadliest on this map. But Vexy single-handedly killed 3 of them.
Right beneath that little bit of an elevation, they have controlled the compound though, but found one Regulars pushing in. But there's a push in, it's gonna be Vexy. Of course it's Vexy. He knocks them down and is looking for more. He gets the Rebel toss. Speaking of team wipes, Soul has been wiped. It is gonna be Vexy, so fittingly putting in the final nail in the coffin of Team Soul and Megastars. My god, they're on a rampage. Vexy, there's no stopping this match.
After Soul was eliminated, taking out the rest of the enemies was pretty easy for Vexy and his teammates. He's really stepped up since he carried his team in week 2, but will he be able to keep up the same level of performance next week? Tune in to the PUBG Mobile Esports YouTube channel at 6:30 PM on the weekends to find out.